couple more weeks and they'll be a better length. Ooh, that looks like a fork. Oh, Kishna Doofy. So da goofy. Oh well, cool. It looks like game character hair, so I guess that works. Too much stuff in front of me right now. Can't see, can't hear, can't breathe. Please don't do this to me. That makes stuffins bread. You know, maybe we'll just let the whole bang go across and show you how ugly it actually is. Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hi, how are ya? This is my first video of 2020, you guys. So exciting. Oh my gosh, right? 2020 vision, am I right? As you can see, I'm kind of blank faced. I look a little bit creepy. I have my contacts in, no lashes, no eyebrows, no nothing. My lips are kind of faded away. But that's because today is a makeup video. If you could not tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my makeup in simlish. Yes, you heard that right, ladies and gentlemen. The imaginary language that was developed and created for the virtual life simulator game, The Sims. Or Sims. Is it The Sims or is it Sims? If you are not aware, the characters on The Sims have a language called simlish, which is something close to English, but really not. It's an imaginary language. It doesn't exist. There's not even like a real definition of like what it is, because like I said, it's not real. It's not a real language. Boy, do I wish it was, because it's something that I will learn. I feel like I speak Simlish every single day without trying to, because I can't talk in general. You might be wondering where this even came from. Clearly you are. I heard you ask that through the screen, so I'm going to answer your question. The origin of this idea comes from a little bit of an inside joke. Basically, my friends think I look like a Sims character. They say that I look like a Sims character. I'm not sure what that means, if that's a compliment or not, but it's what they said. As someone who sometimes takes things way too literally, of course I'm going to exploit that idea and make a YouTube video out of it. So, as I clearly am just a real life walking Sims character, you never know what I'm gonna do next. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. Surprises every second. You never know. I can burst into flames at any second. You never know. Today, I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by The Sims. I'm going to try my best to make myself look as close as a Sim. I can't talk, you see. I might as well be speaking Simlish right now because I can't speak English at all. I'm going to try to do my best to look as close to a Sims character, well, more than I already do, as possible. You'll see. Basically, it just means I'm going to do green makeup. Yeah, I'm going to do it all in Simlish. It's not really going to make any sense. If you were to try to translate this, you wouldn't be able to, because you can't translate Simlish. It's just like a made-up language. But there are some words and phrases that I actually have listed here. I did my research, ladies and gentlemen. I should be learning Korean, but instead I'm over here trying to study Simlish. You see where my priorities lay? I can't speak English. I'm just gonna give up. Simlish is my new first language, actually. I actually am a Sim. I was born a Sim. Yeah, let me just stop talking because you probably aren't listening anyway. Also, please ignore the fact that I'm wearing a gold and silver chain. If Peace were to see this, which I know she probably will. Hi Peace, how are you? How you doing? So sorry to make you so uncomfortable with my gold and silver chain together, but sometimes things had to be done. Risks had to be taken, you know, in the name of fashion and style, all right? I'm an innovator. I'm sorry. And yeah, from this moment on, I will be speaking Simlish and nothing but Simlish. Let's go. So, van Vesua, commons nala. Kern teach. Burgadoo. Fleeming Dean. Urban Decay. Fiendata Boy. Bernadou Kiefba. Balloon and Geesh. What about Keen and Boom? Crickadoo Shofty. Biba. Salad. Bean. Colombia. Snot bean. Verdua. Paloy. Pintuia. Surfy. Zikai. Creme Latich. Beam. Lumi. Torluma. Brandura Beam. Ash Dubai. Ooh, Rabashi. Ash Dubai. Turbanu, bow, turbanu, turbanu, Murph. Valkinen by Fila Hartu. Murph! Sol Flatambia. Prida, From Jamu! S. Artful. Valdishka Furby Norbs. Dag. Dish. Murph. Dish. Nishka. Peemb. Kakanerfo. Shinpai Doobly. Mamma Mia. Gleamer. Choose by Lita do. Zor. Tiki Zor. Lombai Zor. McCoy. Each gets Lime Crime Lip Topper. Verdu McCoy. Freeb Gashadu. Deep Blue Bauchishki. Juvia's Place, Bing Bing. Kim Leader 3CE Bing Bing. Ishk. McCoy! Mish. Whoa. Torbal Beeps, 3CE. Goodbye. Keyboard bye. Rabbit. Yeah, got a lot here. Ooh. No Skype. Murph. Boom. Bobby. Trusha. Verdesk. Freeb Leader. Birding Freeb. Ellie Kondo. Whipna Choba McCoy. Ghibli Keto Brizu. Curbs. Joom. We found you. Woo! Fire! Oh, shoe flea. Oh, Murph, shoe flea. Flirt. Doobly. Color pop. Doobly. Extra soft. You play for me. Barnaby Gunarster. Bloom by Bash Boo. Flort. Chirp. Shirk. Nishka. Garner Frat. Flort. Doobly. Oh, Ishka Freeb. Uke Mombia. Sir Electronine. Somos Fam. Third Plea. Fenty Beauty. Kikna. Jamu Merv. Soso. National proof. Murph Doomfie. Wow. McCoy! Jamu! Stay beautiful now. 너란 꽃 계속 피어남게 너의 향기를 잃지만 난 그게 좋으니까 Stay beautiful now.
got me one night, yeah. I know that's only for me. 나도 너에게만 날 전부 들려주고 싶어. That's right. Don't let this
Pradeshka. Florba Moshinima. Livkai. Gorga. Bao Makoi Budosimi. British. Starman Healing Flab. Verdu Learning Gam. Aguanta Bleats. Lipton. I'm done. I'm over it. I can't do it no more. I think I'm going a little bit crazy. It was fun while it lasted. Oh my gosh. Jumu. Like, I've been speaking this way for the past 3 hours because that's how long it took this video to film. Yeah, I think I have a new appreciation for my poor English speaking. What do you guys think? Do you think I resemble a Sims character in any type of way? That's a strange question, but I must ask because this is what I've been told. I actually really like this look. Why is somebody gonna text me and tell me that the green don't match? Yes, it do. It's not supposed to match. It's a color story. Y'all understand? Don't touch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please share it with your friends. I already said all of this, but I said it in simlish, so it feels like it never happened. My legs hurt so bad right now. Tell me what you guys thought. I'm just gonna sit here, I guess. Tell me what you guys thought about the video in the comments in simlish, and I'll try to decode it and translate it. Tell me if you guys learned any simlish while watching this video. If you did, then let me know. Tell me the words that you did learn. I made up a few words that I had to keep repeating so I could be consistent, even though it didn't matter if I was consistent or not. I could have just said anything, but I overthink everything, and I didn't want to be a fraud. I wanted to
do it right.
Even though I still probably made mistakes, it doesn't matter. It's not a real language. See, this is my issue. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I have school tomorrow. I haven't eaten today. I think I need to go to bed. I think that's what needs to happen. All right, goodbye, you guys. Dog Vermersh. Dog.
climbing these walls. 넌 그냥 이대로 옆에 있어주면 돼. Stay beautiful now. 너란 꽃 계속 피어난 내게.
Kabuna, Prib, Vito, Kuba Barbu, Fufu, Dog. Maybe Marba. Brarmy, Zoop Barget, Vorb, Zoop, Yepron, Sulsul, Gartzel, Pork Mahableef, Zirkala, Vana, Zirkalar, Wazoo, Florn, Jalbuzar Bola, Obabanta. What am I doing? What is going on? Gora Pinduki.